Hey, what's up guys? And in today's video, we're talking about, and that's the key word here, talking about, because I won't be able to show you how to do it, swapping BTC to Solana on Phantom Wallet. So as you've probably assumed by now, it is not possible to swap BTC to Solana on Phantom Wallet directly. There may be a DEX that will allow for cross-chain exchanges, but there have been a lot of scam websites that have popped up, basically taking advantage of the fact that people don't know how to do this and Phantom doesn't support it. So as of now, Phantom Wallet does not support this feature, swapping your Bitcoin to Solana. I would say to be very cautious. I nearly recommended a scam until doing some further research and finding out that it was a scam. So for now, guys, be careful what videos you watch out there that say there are ways to do this, because as of my knowledge, there is no way to do this at the moment. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing. Sorry if this information wasn't very helpful, but this is also just to protect you guys from potential scammers out there, and believe that there are a lot of them. So consider subscribing, liking, and I'll see you in the next video.